So in terms of uploading media, we are going to click on the import. On the top, you can see we're on import. We're going to tap on the import, the plus button, and here you can import video format, you can import image format, and you can import audio format. So we're going to just import this one here, and we're going to say open. We can import some more media now by tapping on that button. We're going to go into pictures and let us import one of these wallpapers. To import multiple, you can click down, holding shift and use your arrow keys to select, or holding control and select the random ones that you would like. You can hit enter. These will also be in here. In terms of using media that is already on Capcut, on the left hand side you can see that there's AI generated, which is relatively new to Capcut. There's a stock material tab which has got a bunch of media in it, and then you can create a brand asset, which basically you are going to create your brand. If you're making videos repetitively with your same brand, you can use your same colors, logos, watermarks, things like that is all there. Audio as well, you've got a bunch of sound effects, copyright check to do your audio. We got TikTok sounds, brand music. You can also extract audio from a video that you are importing into Capcut, and then of course you have the music over here which you can search for, and this is all copyright free. If I'm not mistaken, this is all royalty free. Then once you have imported what you need to import, once you have your media, there's two ways to add it to your timeline over here. You can either click the little plus button, which adds it to your timeline or your track, or you can just select it, as you can see, and you can go down, click down, and drag it over. This cool little media preview, this is quite nice. So if you're actually tapping on the media and it's highlighted in blue, it'll give you a preview over here. So you can see there's a preview and it tells you it's an image, and the same with the video as you saw now. Depending on your hardware on your device, you may have to change your performance output. I'll cover that in another video. But for now, we have our material in our timeline, or of course, in this area over here where we actually get to work on it and edit it. So if you want to add multiple tracks here, you can. For example, this picture, we're going to click down and we can drag it to where we want it. So if we want to put it in the main track, we can. Alternatively, we can put it over our main track, which will allow this to be an overlay of our main track.